Never stops. Helping my buddy get his AODE out of his gorgeous 95 so he can send it off to get rebuilt. Just another AODE coming out, but this one's super built. He just had a problem getting into first gear when it came back. This is a gorgeous car he's been working on for a long time, and we trade parts, so I decided to give him a hand. There you go, another AODE out of another Mustang.
Fucking A, come on.
This one's beautiful, super clean.
Nice.
There you go, it's out of the car. He's got a nice upgraded torque converter. This is going to the shop to get the first gear rebuilt. And we're gonna put this one in because he wants to drive it in the meantime. So we'll just do a quick swap real quick. Just switching over, he's got nice AM fittings he wants to put on it, the torque converter in it. And we'll get this one in so they can get rolling.
Look at that, first try.
You're putting on a factory flex plate.
Yep, because it's better. And then grab the impact. Let's run this up and get the torque converter in there and get the cable situated. The fluid, so it's gonna leak everywhere once we turn it. 1, 2, 3. There it is. That's all the way seated.
And there you go. Replacement is in. Quick and easy.
Just a second. I'm gonna get.
Just got the starter in. Finish it the TV cable and put it all back together. I'm gonna put the torque converter nuts on. I'll line that flex plate up and put them on. Quick and easy job. A lot faster with the help of 2 people.
Pull it out of the view.
Yeah. Drive line's in. Torque converter nuts are all tight. Just gotta put the exhaust in, see what it does. Full Borla exhaust reinstalled. This thing's ready to get fired up. Let's get it fired up. Neutral. First. Hell yeah.
First. Second. Third drive.
Hell yeah, dude. Alright, we got all gears. Time to see what it does.
Take it for a drive.
Yeah, let's do it.
Put her on the ground, take her for a drive. Alright, where is...
Beautiful build. got it. Another transmission turnaround on another S1095. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two.